Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin, welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you another method of lining increases. They could be used on the edges of your fabric or in the middle. They don't form holes, as you can see, and it's almost invisible. These increases are being worked the same when you work flat or when you work in the round. This is how it looks on the finished item. This is the middle stitch, and those were make one right increases, and those were make one left increases. As you can see, it looks pretty neat. There is a small note how to make one right and how to make one left. They usually being abbreviated like this. So to make one right, we need to put left needle in the bar of between the stitches. So there are two stitches, and we need to make the increase right here. So we need to work with this bar. To make one right, we need to put left needle in this bar from behind. So the right leg of this new formed loop will be behind. And to form an increase that will be leaned on the right, we need to knit this stitch through the front loop. I try to pay attention on this, that in any kind of leaning increases, if you want to lean it to the right, you make it through the front loop. And if you want to make it to the left, you make it through the back loop. So what we have? We have a bar. We put the left needle from behind, and we make this stitch twisted to avoid hole. So we knit it through the front loop. Let's knit one more. Here we have the right linen increase. And let's make one more right here at the bar. We put left needle from behind and knit this stitch through the front loop. Middle stitch, and on the left side of the fabric we will make left stitches. So to make one left, we need to put our left needle in this bar from the front and knit this loop through the back loop. So here at the bar, left needle from the front and knit it through the back loop. And one more is coming. Here at the bar, here at the left needle, we put it from the front and we twist this stitch to avoid the hole. That's why we knit it through the back loop. From the wrong side, as you can see, this stitch we increased. It looks totally normal. And we increased this stitch, and this, and this, and they look normal. So from the wrong side, we knitted just as usual. Or if you work in the round, You just work them as usual, nothing tricky we are doing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me, folks. Follow my channel. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.